To enable or disable battery charge limit on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can open Settings. Then over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Battery. And then in the battery, you should be able to find battery protection. So you can go ahead and open this. Now in here, if you choose the maximum battery protection, you can of course set up the charge limit. By default, we use 80%, so if that option is selected like that, you will be able to charge your battery only to 80%. Of course, you can set it to 85, 90, and 95% as well. And in case you want to turn it off, but you still want to use battery protection, then of course you want to choose the basic option. Over here we can read that we are allowed to charge to 100%, but once the phone charges to 100%, it stops charging if the power adapter is still connected to the phone. And then once the battery drops to 95% while still charging, of course, then the phone starts charging the battery one more time to 100%, and it keeps going and going and going until, of course, you unplug the charger. There is also the sleep time protection, which can also set up the 80% limit. But that is, of course, useful and only when you are asleep. At least in theory, this is when the limit occurs. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.